Here's an interesting app called Meet Mobile Swim. So let's just install it. This app is in the top charts in the sports category. I haven't used it before, but this Meet Mobile transforms the swim meet experience for fans, swimmers, coaches, and meet hosts alike. From the largest national qualifying trials in the country to the smallest swim meets, get access to meet programs from all over the world, including hit sheets, psych sheets, and real-time results. View results anytime, anywhere. Quickly find swim meets with robust search functions. Track swimmers and teams in real time. Flag your favorite swimmers and team to find them easily. View your real-time hit results along with cumulative and subtracted splits. So yeah, here you can just see some programs, some event details, and then you can just allow notifications, and then yeah, you can just find some meets near you. But I guess this app is only available in in US. So here, for example, you can see the meets available, and then what were the programs, swimmers, teams, where you can just see your team progress. And yeah, so that's basically the idea. If you like swimmer enthusiast, you can give a try to this app. Favorite swimmers, favorite teams, and then yeah, you can just explore it here. So yeah, that's basically the idea of this app. I don't know if it's available on Android or so, but there you have it.